أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
وهو الذي خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام وكان عرشه على الماء ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا ولئن قلت إنكم مبعوثون من بعد الموت ليقولن الذين كفروا إن هذا إلا سحر مبين.
It is He who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, and His throne was upon the waters, in order to test you, which of you is best in conduct. And if you were to say, you will be resurrected after death, those who disbelieve would say, this is nothing but plain witchcraft.
ولئن أخرنا عنهم العذاب إلى أمة معدودة ليقولن ما يحبسه ألا يوم يأتيهم ليس مصروفا عنهم وحاق بهم ما كانوا به يستهزئون.
And if we postpone their punishment until a stated time, they would say, what holds it back? On the day when it reaches them, it will not be averted from them, and what they used to ridicule will besiege them.